So the fuel tank is still out of the car and it's filled with vinegar. We are going to be waiting for that to clean up for a day or so more. We have changed the filters. We still need to put the fuel filter on. Now we're changing the oil. Tomorrow we are going to be putting back the fuel tank and hopefully this thing will fire up. So the fuel tank is in, the fuel lines are all in. I'm going to put some fuel in this thing and it's time to fire it up. Yes. Woo! We have power. So diesel goes in, air comes out, and hopefully this thing will be alive again. Hasn't been started in 10 years and it idles like it's brand new. Even the exhaust is clean. The oil pressure is at 45, right where it should be. Everything is great.
Viola Estera. Lexiadora. Ela.
It leaves. So after this small video, I am going to be adding some before and after shots on the difference a simple wash can make on a car. So stay tuned for that. In part 3, we are going to be bleeding the brakes, and after that I am going to post a video on the difference a simple polish can make on the way a car looks. So stay tuned for that.